This video is part of my maintenance, so disregard. You know, if you want to watch my maintenance, go check it out. But I am going to be trying a lock style that I did almost a year ago, which was this style here. And I was like, why not make a video on it? I did the style and never made a video, so I'm gonna show y'all. Let's get into it. Now that I'm out the shower and my hair is all washed and wrapped up, I'm gonna take it down and get to styling. First, I'm gonna show you everything that I'll be using. First thing first, I got my Napstar Super Hold Retwist Gel. I also have these two combs. One is a lock comb and the other one is a rat tail comb with a little pointer on the end so I can get precise parting because I want it to look, yeah. Next, I have my clips. Now I have a few different clips. I have like these, I ain't even gonna guess the name because I don't know. I think they're called banana clips, possibly, but I have those and I have these little claw clips, and then I'm just going to use these to clip my hair and keep it out of the way. I also have this spiral hair tie so I could keep my hair pinned up and keep it organized when I do my parting. I also have this coconut milk detangle elixir. Now I had this for a little minute. I don't see no expiration date on it. I think it's good, but it's probably like right here. It lasted me a while, so. I also have some clips so I can clip my locks when I retwist it, and then I have some rubber bands and some beads. Now I may or may not add beads. I don't even know. It's a question in mind right now. So I have them on standby right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair for my crown. So I'm just gonna do about half and a half. I'll have, well, a little more than half. So the back is where a majority is going to be down, and then I'm going to do half at the top. So the parting is pretty much going to be like this, but I'm going to clean it up more. And this part here is going to be separated. So I'm going to tie a little hair tie on it to keep it out the way. Like that. Since I'm double strand twisting the back, I'm going to start doing that now. Now that I'm on the front, I am going to do row by row. So I'm going to barrel twist backwards and then create the bantu knot. I'm just not sure how I'm going to go about it. Like I might barrel twist back, create the knot, and then go row by row. Or I might just barrel twist all of them and then create the knots. You will see because I don't know. Alright, so my hair is finished, but I feel like this one is lower and this one's higher. And I accidentally double stranded this one into there. That's why I feel like one is missing here. I might fix it. I don't know. Or I just might be like, eh. But then again, I might fix it. Alright, so the main part of my hair is done. The only thing that's not done is my edges, which I'm going to focus on tomorrow. But it looks good. Full reveal coming soon. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'll be back.
The next day.
My hair, I did that. I did that. Pat on the back. Pat on the back. All right, so that's it for this look. If you want to see any more other looks that I do, make sure you go check out this playlist because I got a few up in there. And you might like it if you like this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, anything, leave it down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. If you want to see any more future videos from me, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I post a new video. that was a mouthful. But other than that, I will see you on my next one.